Welcome back to Abit Academy. And if you are new, a very warm welcome to you. This channel is where you will find learning technical and IT skills is made fun and easy. In this video, we will be starting our journey into AI prompt engineering. Let's not delay any further. Just hit those like and subscribe buttons to help me out, and we'll get started. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of AI prompt engineering. Ever wondered how to make AI models like ChatGPT and Bard dance to your tunes? Stick around, and by the end of this series, you'll be a maestro of AI prompts. First, though, what on earth is AI prompt engineering? Imagine you're a director and AI is your actor. AI prompt engineering is like giving your actor the perfect script so they deliver a stellar performance. In simpler terms, it's about crafting instructions or prompts that guide AI models to produce the results you desire. Think of it like this. If you're in the mood for some AI-generated poetry, you might say, "Hey AI, pen me a poem about love." That's your prompt. Let's take a peek at the magic behind the scenes. So, how does this all work? AI models, like our talented actors, have been trained on vast libraries of text and code. When you hand them a script or a prompt, they draw from this vast knowledge to give you a performance or a response. The catch? The quality of their performance hinges on the quality of your script. Ever wondered, why should I even dive into AI prompt engineering? Well, grab your tech goggles and let's unravel the magic behind it, unleashing the AI superpowers. Imagine having a digital genie at your fingertips. That's what AI models can become with the right prompts. Research buddy, need a quick summary or a deep dive on a topic? Just ask. Your AI pal can whip up explanations, summaries, and even detailed overviews. Your personal scribe. Whether you're drafting, editing, or just brainstorming, AI's got your back. The cherry on top, it can even mimic your unique writing flair with the right nudge. Learning sidekick. From answering random trivia to deep academic queries, think of AI as your personal tutor. Dive into any topic and it's ready to guide you. Brainstorming bonanza. Stuck in a creative rut? Let AI be your muse. From project ideas to catchy business names, it's a treasure trove of inspiration. So why bother with AI prompt engineering? Because it's your ticket to unlocking a world of possibilities, making AI not just a tool, but a partner in your creative journey. Dive in and let the magic unfold. Diving into even more AI prompt engineering benefits, we have the AI trifecta of awesomeness, pinpoint precision. Imagine having a dart that hits the bullseye every single time. That's your AI with the perfect prompt. Craft it right, and voila, relevant and accurate results galore. Effortless efficiency. Why play messenger with AI models when you can be the puppet master? Automate your prompts and watch as you save heaps of time and energy. Innovation Island. Ever dreamt of painting the digital skies? With the right prompts, the AI canvas is all yours. Let your creativity run wild and watch wonders unfold. So, in the grand theatre of AI, the right prompts are your VIP tickets to a show of precision, efficiency, and boundless innovation. Dive in and let the magic begin. As we embark on this AI odyssey, it's essential to remember that every adventure has its challenges. But fear not, for every twist and turn, there's a solution waiting to be discovered. Let's dive deep into the maze and find those hidden doors. Navigating the AI labyrinth crafting conundrums. Crafting that impeccable prompt is akin to sculpting a masterpiece. It requires patience, precision, and a touch of creativity. While it might seem daunting initially, remember that every artist starts with a blank canvas. Silver lining, the beauty of AI is its adaptability. With practice and persistence, you'll soon be crafting prompts that resonate, and there's always a community of AI enthusiasts to guide and inspire. Model mix-up. Think of AI models as a vast wardrobe. While your favorite jacket might be perfect for a chilly day, sometimes you need that breezy summer dress. Different tasks might require different AI models. Bright side, the diverse world of AI models means there's always the right fit for every task. It's all about experimenting and finding your model match. Plus, as AI evolves, models become even more versatile. Debugging dilemmas. When prompts act like mischievous elves, deciphering their antics can feel like solving a cryptic crossword. Why did the AI respond that way? What went amiss? The beacon of hope. Debugging is the detective work of the AI world. With keen observation and a bit of tinkering, most mysteries can be unraveled. And every challenge faced is a lesson learned, refining your AI expertise. Crafting the ultimate prompt. Crafting that dream prompt is a blend of art and science. It's about understanding the AI's language while adding your unique touch. Guiding star. Remember, every prompt is a step towards perfection. With each try, you get closer to that sweet spot. And with resources, tutorials, and communities at your fingertips, mastering the art becomes a delightful journey. In the grand saga of AI, challenges are but stepping stones leading us to innovation and mastery. With the right mindset and tools, every hurdle becomes a gateway to discovery. So gear up, AI adventurers, and let's turn challenges into triumphs. Ready to craft that show-stopping prompt? Before you dive in, let's unpack the ultimate toolkit to ensure your AI prompt is nothing short of spectacular. Let's roll out the magic carpet and explore. Clarity is king. Think of your prompt as a compass for the AI. The clearer the direction, the smoother the journey. Avoid riddles and keep it crystal clear. Why it's royal. A clear prompt reduces misinterpretations, ensuring the AI gets you right from the get-go. Usage tip. Imagine you're giving directions to a friend. Be concise, straightforward, and avoid unnecessary detours. Relevance reigns. It's all about speaking the AI's language. Use terms and phrases that align with your task, making it resonate. The resonance rationale. Relevant terms act as beacons, guiding the AI toward the desired outcome. Usage tip. Think about the core of your task and sprinkle in terms that best capture its essence. Specificity is the spice. General prompts can lead to generic outputs. Be specific, like ordering a customized dish rather than the usual. Why it's spicy, specificity narrows down the AI's focus, ensuring it delivers precisely what you're craving. Usage tip. If you're after a romantic poem, don't just ask for a poem. Specify romantic to get those heartwarming verses. Show, don't just tell. Paint a vivid picture for the AI. Using examples is like showing a photo of a dish to a chef. The artistic angle. Examples set the tone, style, and mood, giving the AI a template to work from. Usage tip. If you want a cheerful message, provide an example like, hope you have a day as bright as sunshine. Experiment and evolve. The AI realm is a vast playground. Don't be content with the first swing. Hop on the slide, try the seesaw, and maybe even a merry-go-round. The exploration ethos. Every tweak and twist is a learning curve, refining your prompt prowess. Usage tip. If a prompt doesn't yield the desired result, adjust an element and see how the AI responds. It's all about trial and triumph. Crafting the perfect AI prompt is an art, a science, and a sprinkle of magic. With this toolkit in hand, you're all set to weave AI wonders. So put on your creative hats and let's make some AI magic. There you have it, folks. AI prompt engineering is your secret sauce to making the most of language models. We've journeyed through its ins and outs, the highs and lows, and armed you with all you need to get started. Dive in, experiment, and have fun. If you found this enlightening, give us a thumbs up. Until next time, keep teching.